Iron.
Iron.
I always iron my clothes after washing them.
I always iron my clothes after washing them.
Scrub.
Scrub.
I scrubbed the floor thoroughly.
I scrub the floor thoroughly.
Trim.
Trim.
My hair needs a trim.
My hair needs a trim.
Pour.
Pour.
Pour the coffee into a glass.
Pour the coffee into a glass.
Row.
Row.
I am rowing a boat.
I am rowing a boat.
Float.
Float.
My balloons are floating in the water.
My balloons are floating in the water.
Dive.
Dive.
Many dolphins can dive to depths of 200 meters.
Many dolphins can dive to depths of 200 meters.
Duck.
Duck.
Me ducked into a doorway.
Me ducked into a doorway.
Stomp.
Stomp.
I stomp my feet on the floor.
I stomp my feet on the floor.
Punch.
Punch.
I punched my brother in the neck.
I punched my brother in the neck.
Chirp.
Chirp.
The birds in my house had begun to chirp among the trees.
The birds in my house had begun to chirp among the trees.
Bark.
Bark.
My dog always barks at strangers.
My dog always barks at strangers.
Sob.
Sob.
The child started to sob when he couldn't find his toy.
The child started to sob when he couldn't find his toy.
Ball.
Ball.
You need not bawl. I'm not going to hurt you.
You need not bawl. I'm not going to hurt you.
Mutter.
Mutter.
Don't mutter when they are studying.
Don't mutter when they are studying.
Saunter.
Saunter.
Let's go for a saunter along the river.
Let's go for a saunter along the river.
Curl.
Curl.
Does your hair curl naturally?
Does your hair curl naturally?
Wipe.
Wipe.
He gave the table a quick wipe.
He gave the table a quick wipe.
Lean.
Lean.
Lean your head back a bit.
Lean your head back a bit.
Squat.
Squat.
I usually squat on my hams.
I usually squat on my hams.
Gasp.
Gasp.
He gave a gasp of surprise.
He gave a gasp of surprise.
Gulp.
Gulp.
He gulped down his breakfast.
He gulped down his breakfast.
Scream.
Scream.
Her scream made me jump.
Her scream made me jump.
Flinch.
Flinch.
He didn't flinch from telling him the whole truth.
He didn't flinch from telling him the whole truth.
Shave.
Shave.
I shaved this morning.
I shaved this morning.
Sprinkle.
Sprinkle.
A boy sprinkles salt on food in a restaurant.
A boy sprinkles salt on food in a restaurant.
Leap.
Leap.
I leaped up to answer the phone.
I leaped up to answer the phone.
Polish.
Polish.
Polish your shoes regularly to protect the leather.
Polish your shoes regularly to protect the leather.
Comb.
Comb.
Give your hair a comb before you go out.
Give your hair a comb before you go out.
Rinse.
Rinse.
Rinse your hair thoroughly after each shampoo.
Rinse your hair thoroughly after each shampoo.
Grasp.
Grasp.
My friend suddenly grasped my hand.
My friend suddenly grasped my hand.
Sacred.
Sacred.
I get scared when I watch ghost movies.
I get scared when I watch ghost movies.